In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom elements in Wix. You'll gain a deeper understanding of how to enhance and personalize your website with ease. Custom elements in Wix allow you to add specific features and functionality that cater to your unique needs, enhancing the overall user experience of your website. First things first, navigate to your Wix dashboard. From here, you'll want to select the site you are working on. Once you're on the editor page, look over at the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu bar. Click on Dev Mode, and if it isn't activated already, turn on Dev Mode to unlock the power of custom code. This step is crucial as it gives you access to advanced features and capabilities. With Dev Mode active, you'll see a new Custom Elements tab appears on the left menu under the Add icon. This is where the magic begins. Clicking here brings up a range of customizable options. Feel free to explore and familiarize yourself with the environment as we're about to dive into creating our own custom element. To create a new custom element, go to Custom Elements and then click on Create New Custom Element. Wix will prompt you to name your element. Choose a meaningful name that reflects your project's context, as organizing and identifying elements later becomes much easier with thoughtful naming conventions. Before you add any code, consider what functionality or feature you want your custom element to achieve. Whether it's an interactive button, an informative widget, or any bespoke feature, clarity around your desired outcome will guide your build process effectively. Next, once you have a clear plan, it's time to start coding. Wix uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, so ensure you have a basic understanding of these languages. Inside your custom element space, you'll be provided with structural guidelines where you can input your HTML for static content, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for dynamic functionality. After coding your custom element, it's important to test it thoroughly. Drag and drop the element onto a page in your site to see how it responds. Going through a few trial runs will help identify any issues or adjustments needed, ensuring that everything works perfectly. Once satisfied with the functionality and appearance of your custom element, remember to save all your changes. It's best practice to save frequently to avoid losing any of your hard work. Afterward, publish your site to make your new custom element live to the world. For additional flexibility and troubleshooting, Wix provides forums and community support. Should you come across any snags or intricate challenges, reaching out through these channels can be incredibly handy. There you have it. You've successfully added a custom element to your Wix site, equipping you with the ability to further tailor your site to meet personal or business needs. Whether you're nipping and tucking here and there, or completely revolutionizing your site's functionality, the possibilities are limitless with custom elements.